Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO M5s, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Unfortunately, you don't have to scroll anywhere, just tap on About Phone. Right now we have to find the MIUI version for the POCO, and it is important because it will actually allow us to activate the developer options. It may be quite strange, I know, but trust me, it will work. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping until we will see this information. You are now a developer. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, because you are turning on the really advanced settings, so you have to be careful with them. So now, after activating, we can go back to the general settings, and here let's scroll to find additional settings. Let's enter and scroll down. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got the developer options. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can disable a USB audio routing. Here we've got some options to show view updates. We can change the window animation scale. We can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs even. Here you've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth, to the USB, to the Wi-Fi, so overall to the networking and so on. So a lot of options. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply find it and tap on the switcher. And I hope that you can see that after tapping on particular part on the screen, it will display this circle, which simply means that we successfully turned on the show tabs option. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the additional settings, maybe not additional settings, but to the general settings, and coming again to additional settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the MIUI version step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.